Guys, so today we are going to see that how can you convert image file
Hi
into
guys,
PDF file.
my name is Kush.
So
So,
if you want to convert a a image file into PDF file, open any image that you want to convert.
that you want to convert
So let's say this is a JPG image
JPG.
which I need to convert to PDF. So what I will do now, as you can see on this top of the screen on the right side, there are three dots. Click on this
Yes, there are three dots. Click on this
and then click on this print.
yeah.
And now as you can see, if you click on this save as PDF option, you can get different options, like you can print from any connected printer. But now as you want to save as a PDF, click on this save as a PDF
Save as a PDF.
and then click on this yellow on the top right corner to save this as a PDF.
Okay.
And now select the folder where you want to save it. So let's say save in the DCIM
You got it, guys.
and click on this save button.
And click on the save button.
And now let's go and see where we have saved it. So open the my files,
Open to my files.
internal storage,
In the stories.
DCIM,
DCI.
and it's there on this bottom side. As you can see, this one,
Yeah, this.
this is the PDF file which we saved. And now click on this
Just one.
just once. So as you can see, you got this PDF file from an JPG image. So you don't need to install any third-party software. You can do by your inbuilt camera. So that's how you can save a JPG file into a PDF file. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and
Subscribe. My channel Viceman.
okay.
My papa's channel. Sorry, not my channel.
तेरा भी तो है, तू भी तो नाचता है.
Yeah.